The new Apple Watch Series 9 and Watch Ultra 2 are set to be released, and we now have a lot of information about them, including features, design, and pricing. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 will be improved, and the largest difference will be in the display. Its predecessor had a 49mm display, but the new Apple Watch Ultra 2 will have a 50mm display without increasing its size. The display is simply bigger with thinner bezels. We've also heard that this will be significantly lighter as well, although we don't have an exact weight just yet for those looking for something different. There are also claims that a new black titanium frame will be available, although this will only be for the Ultra. There have been numerous reports that Apple would abandon OLED screens in favor of small LED displays, but all leakers now appear to agree that this isn't the case with the next Apple Watch Ultra 2 and is more probable for an Apple Watch in a few years. The Watch Ultra 2 will, of course, be powered by the new S9 chip, which, according to Mark Gurman, is based on the A15 Bionic used in the iPhone 13, but the upgraded chip will bring increased performance in terms of both raw power and battery life. This would greatly assist Apple with the new features in watchOS 10, which will allegedly include a new widget system in addition to many other upgrades. When it comes to the regular Apple Watch 9 series, we've learned that a new pink color option will be offered in addition to all of the colors we had last year, apart from the new chipset. The Apple Watch 9 is essentially the same as the Apple Watch 8, and it will be available in 41 or 45mm sizes. According to Mark Gurman, the new iPhone 15 will be released with the Apple Watch 9 and the second-generation Apple Watch Ultra next month on September 12th. The pre-orders will begin on September 15th, which is the following Friday, and the release date is expected to be September 22nd. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.